understand that it's up to me. There's nobody else in this world that is going to come in and do it for me, right? You gave up after the last L you had, right? I'm not going to give up. I am going to fail more times than what I win. Who would I be if I'm not showing the L's? Who would I be if I'm not documenting every single part of the journey? Today is Tuesday, my last day of work. I just finished my push-ups. I'm about to get ready for work right now. But I just want to let you guys know that if you guys don't have a fucking routine, how are you going to excel? Before, when I didn't have no routine, no fucking guidance, no direction in life, I would wake up late, pull up to work right on time, or be late, right? My days off, I wake up at 10 or 11 in the morning, right? Or even sometimes at noon. That would fucking discourage me, because in my mind, I would tell myself that I already wasted the morning. I already wasted all the fucking day, so I would just stay in bed and be complacent. You guys gotta look deep into your life and understand what's keeping you back. It's not about waking up early once in a while. It's a daily thing. Trust me, it's a fucking daily thing. My routine has molded me into this great version of myself because it keeps me in check. Y'all can go check my Instagram. I do this shit every day. It's not a once a week or 3 times a week. It's an everyday thing that molds you into the best version of yourself. On that note, today I get my Wi-Fi. I just get very, very motivational in the mornings, because if I do the hardest thing, which is my push-ups in the morning, I get fired up because I know I can conquer the world. Because if I beat my mind, my body will follow, right? But on that note, I'm about to get my Wi-Fi today. I already got an email. Let's see, bro. Let's see what happens. And I think things happen for a reason. Yesterday I was just all over the place, and I don't know. And it pushed me harder to fucking finish my video earlier. So let's keep on pushing. I gotta get ready for work. And yeah, let's make it a productive day. And let's make today an amazing trading day as well. And let's keep on pushing. So as y'all seen, my trading combine just pretty much is over. I lost the 50K challenge. Trust me, I am demoralized. I don't want to be losing all the fucking time, right? Like, I'm tired of fucking losing. But like I tell you guys, I'm documenting my journey. I'm showing you guys what it fucking takes. Like, I can quit right now, right? After a couple L's, after another failed combine, like, I understand why people quit trading, right? I understand why people don't want to keep pushing, right? But people don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. That's why not everybody makes it out. But I know I am going to make it out. I believe in myself because I understand that it's up to me. There's nobody else in this world that is going to come in and do it for me, right? Don't expect things to be easy. The journey takes sacrifices. You guys are at the beginning stages of my journey. You guys are following me in this journey, right? It's a process. It's a marathon, not a sprint, right? You guys gotta understand that it's going to take a lot of shit. I am going to fail more times than what I win. I got that very clear in my mind, right? I understand that I'm going to fail countless of times. And don't get me wrong, I hate losing. I despise fucking losing, right? Part of me felt some sort of relief because the challenge was over and I lost it. Yes, I'm not gonna come here and lie to you guys and say that I didn't feel some relief, because seeing that account in drawdown, seeing the negatives and not positives just pretty much demoralized me throughout the whole fucking week, right? But that mindset has to go away. I'm tired of fucking losing. Yes, I've been all over the place this past week, like you guys have seen, like and I've said it, like I've been restless. I've been working on 3 hours of sleep, like just tired, bro. Today is my last day of work. I'm going to have my days off. and I am going to get everything done at home. I'm going to set up everything that I really want to set up. My Wi-Fi comes in today, and like, I know that this is something that I had to go through, man. It's a lesson. Understand that if everything goes right for you, when are you gonna learn? How are you going to understand that life is not that simple, right? You gotta understand that you gotta go through these trials. You gotta go through all these fucking emotions to become the best version of yourself. I still gotta wake up in the morning and do my fucking routine. I still gotta do the basics. Simplicity takes you a long way. Who would I be if I come up here and I just show you guys results, but I don't show you guys a journey, you know? Who would I be if I'm not showing the L's? Who would I be if I'm not documenting every single part of the journey? Maybe you watching, you've lost a lot of combines. Maybe you gave up on trading. Maybe most of you guys can relate. And you gave up after the last L you had, right? I'm not going to give up. It opens more doors for me to set up my stuff, like not have that in the back of my head, right? Work on my course. I'm going to have that ready for you guys. Like I'm telling you guys, like I'm unprofitable right now, but that's going to change. I'm going to lose so many fucking times that eventually I'm going to master this shit, right? You only learn from losing. When you feel that you're dumb, it's because you're learning. I feel stupid. I feel lost. I thought that I had it with me, you know, like I figured out the levels. I figured out so many things about the market, and I thought like I had it all mastered down and shit. There's a reason why it takes time. There's a reason why only 1% make it. You gotta drop your fucking ego, like I said yesterday. You gotta understand that you don't know everything. I don't know if I'm putting today's trade earlier or after this, but you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. I see everything. I have everything clear. Like my vision is clear. There's something that's missing. My execution, there's something that's missing. You guys are gonna see everything that I did, and it's like something crucial I'm missing. I'm getting everything right. I'm looking at the levels. I'm looking at everything. I just don't know how to fucking execute. And it's a part of the journey. It's something that I gotta discover. It's something that I'm going to learn throughout the combines, throughout these challenges. It's something that I gotta learn. But if I decide to quit and move on to something else because this didn't work, I'm never going to learn and I'm never going to master this. Understand that you gotta lose so many fucking times. Every time that I wake up in the morning and do my push-ups, I remember the times that I gave up and I stayed fat. I stayed sad. I stayed depressed because I couldn't keep pushing. It only gets better. Trust me. Me getting discouraged because I could only do 5 regular push-ups and I had to do push-ups on my knees. I didn't want to do that shit. But as I kept going every fucking day, kept pushing, eventually things got better because I always show up. 1 L doesn't determine your success. Understand that. 1 L doesn't determine how great of an individual you are. Understand that you are greater than what you tell yourself. You have the potential to be great. Just believe in yourself. That's why I'm always saying about, that's why I'm always speaking about those strong affirmations. That's why I'm always speaking about you telling yourself that you got this shit, right? Ooh. That's why I'm always speaking about you got it. But just believe in yourself. Instill these thoughts and instill this mindset within you. Trust me, it's hard. I didn't change from the morning to the night. No, I did not change like that. It took me so many losses in life. It took me so many experiences, so many betrayals, so many fucking lies to my face until I realized that I had to change and move away from comfort. I didn't realize I didn't become this great man, and I didn't realize that I needed to change and that I needed to understand to walk alone until I saw that I was worth more and nobody was appreciating my worth. I didn't grow until I realized that that comfort that I was living was a lie to myself. But it only takes lessons to learn and to move on and to be a greater person. Trust me, if you guys been following my journey since the beginning, y'all can see my change. Y'all can see how greater I am today. More confident, I walk differently, I believe in myself. I've grown as a man. Trust me, I'm 23 years old. I shouldn't be thinking like I'm fucking thinking. Today at work, I overheard a conversation about 2 grown men, right? I think they were my age or a little bit older than me, talking about a fucking Disney movie, bro. talking about a fucking movie. While the other one was talking about going home and his mom made the wrong breakfast for him. Like, bro, you're fucking old, still living with your parents, worried about the next fucking movie. Worry about getting the fuck out of your parents' house and getting your life together. I shouldn't be thinking like I'm thinking, bro. Trust me, like, at this age, I'm so fucking blessed to be woken up. Some people don't wake up. Some men stay boys forever. Some men don't grow out of this fucking stage of trying to impress everybody, going out every fucking day, drinking, smoking every day just to impress somebody else. You know what that is you use those things because you're afraid to be alone. When I used to vape, when I used to smoke, when I used to try to impress everybody else, it's because I wanted that attention, because I was not comfortable being alone. You gotta understand, when you're smoking, when you're vaping, when you're doing all that shit, you're looking around to see who's looking at you because you want that shit. When I used to walk around in front of a crowd of people, I would reach for my phone to look at my phone and not feel intimidated by the eyes watching me because I felt alone. Understand that. It's a part of confidence. If you are not confident enough to walk alone with yourself, how are you going to become great? I mastered that part, bro. And some of you guys might be thinking like, oh shit, it might just click for you guys, right? Next time you walk around the crowd, realize what you're doing. Next time you hit your fucking vape, understand that you're doing it to seek that validation, to look cool in front of somebody else. Because you don't think you're cool enough, because you don't think you're that guy. Build yourself into that man that when you walk into a room, people know who the fuck you are. Trust me, I'm trying to build that. Maybe I'm not at that level yet, but when I walk through a fucking door, I know what I'm fucking worth. I don't let nothing put me down. Before, I used to look down if somebody was walking up to me and I thought they were a little bit better than me. Fuck no, ain't nobody better than me now. Ain't nobody better than this version. I'm the best version that I can be, and I'm still striving for that greatness. Understand that, boys. It's a matter of L's, and I get very emotional, and I go on this path of like expressing how I think, because I feel like most people don't realize this shit, bro. You gotta understand that life is so short to be wasting it in things that don't give you no return. Put your energy in things that matter. Put your energy in your fucking body. Put your energy towards your body. Put your energy into creating. Stop fucking consuming. Stop thinking about what they're thinking about you. Stop caring about what others think about you. Build yourself. You gotta be able to walk alone. Understand that shit. Walking alone means being comfortable in your own person, in your own self. At the end of the day, at night when I'm asleep, who do I fucking have? It's me and my fucking thoughts. At the end of the night, we're all battling our thoughts. We're all going throughout our day regretting shit that we could have done better. I used to do that shit. Trust me, I speak on my past experiences. When I was the worst version of myself, I would always regret. I should have done this. I could have done this. Now I don't have time to regret. When I hit the fucking bed, I'm thinking about tomorrow. I'm thinking about how I can get better. Because I already excelled in everything that I did. Trust me, my routine takes me a long fucking way. You guys gotta mold yourselves from within. It starts with your fucking foundation. You can't speak all this shit when your life is a fucking mess. You can't lie to others. Because your subconscious is always listening, and if you don't got your shit together, people are gonna call you out on your fuck ups. People are gonna call you out on your fucking bluff. I am nobody, bro. I am nobody. But I am so convinced, and I am so convicting, and I am so genuine and transparent because this is my journey. I got nothing to hide because I believe in myself. I believe in myself, and I know that in the next couple of months, in the next years, I'm going to be where I dream of. I'm going to live the life that I dream of. I'm going to achieve everything. I'm going to be rich. I'm going to be successful. I'm going to have the time to do the things that I fucking want. Everything that I want, the cars, the homes, everything, I'm going to have that shit. But it's just a matter of starting now. None of that happens if I don't start now. None of that happens if I don't fucking sacrifice now. Good things take time, right? But you're not going to get nowhere if you're laying your fucking ass telling other people, oh, I have these great ideas, getting that validation from them and not acting on them. You gotta act on your fucking ideas and stay fucking quiet. Maybe I don't stay quiet because I share it with you guys, but this keeps me accountable. You guys are keeping me accountable, because if I don't come back tomorrow or the next day, I am failing you guys, right? At the end of the day, I do this for myself, but I also do this shit for you guys. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to do things better. Trust me, today I get my Wi-Fi. Today I settle in my apartment. I want my LED lights all over the fucking room. I got a lot of shit to do, bro. A lot of shit to do right now. I cleaned the apartment. I got a little mess, bro. I mean, I don't even got shit in my apartment, but I just really wanted to clean it. I hate the echo from here, bro. But yeah, man, I still got this shit going on. They gotta come and fix that. And yeah, man, just keep on pushing, boys. Keep on going, keep on grinding. So many good things are coming soon. Trust me, stay tuned. I'm going to have the course, I want to say by next week. I still got to work on my course. I still got to work on myself. I still got to set up everything. I'm thinking about getting a little stool for this once they fix this. Because I don't want to be in my bed, bro. Like, I have an air mattress. So like, where the fuck am I going to be typing and shit? I'm going to go get a TV tonight or tomorrow so my son can watch his cartoons, because he be getting bored. But yeah, man, everything is gonna get better. Everything is gonna change. I hate this fucking echo, bro. It's because I'm broke. But y'all see this part, right? Like, I'm not going all out, balling all out. I invested roughly, I want to say almost $8,000 in mentorships these past 2 weeks, right? I could have invested that in this. I could have done a lot for this, right? I'm taking a risk. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We will never know, right? I'm leaving it up to the Lord. I'm leaving it up to my faith. I believe deeply in myself. You gotta take a fucking risk. I had an amazing setup. I mean, it is what it is. All I have in my room is my workout shit, my closet with my stuff, and that's pretty much it, bro. My necessities, that's all I got, bro. I took a chance. I took a risk. I'm going to elevate. I'm going to get past this shit, right? I might sound crazy. I might sound delusional, but I'm the one putting in the work, right? I'm the one showing up. I believe in myself. I'm investing in me. I'm betting on myself. Maybe you guys got it in you, but you just gotta break that barrier of fear. You just gotta stop giving a fuck about others and working towards your dreams. On that note, boys, I'll cut the video short for today. I got so many things to do today. If you guys want to follow me along throughout my day, check out my Instagram down below. I'll be posting pretty much everything that I'm doing throughout the day. I mean, you know, like, Instagram is a little bit more updated. Like, here I can post some stuff, but like, it only gets so much attention. And I'm mainly more on Instagram, like, just networking and doing other stuff. So yeah, boys, and let's have an amazing day. And like I always tell you, keep watering your own garden, because if you don't do it, you're never going to grow. Don't wait for the fucking storm. If you're waiting for the storm, it might only come once. And if you don't take that chance, I mean, when will you?